Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make crochet jewelry. These are the tools you will need. Let's begin.
So we will be making the daisy flowers first. So we start with a magic circle, then we crochet 10 single crochets in the circle. Jewelry is so expensive these days, so I make my own. You should try it too. It's so quick and easy to make, and crochet is not difficult to learn. I'm not a professional, but I'm doing it myself. Make sure you have 10 single crochets in your circle, and then close your circle by pulling on the tail. Pull your tail nice and tightly to make the hole more narrow. Next, make a slip stitch in your first single crochet to close that round. Chain 4. Make 3 triple crochets into the first stitch. As I crochet, I like to work in my ends, then I don't have to come back to it to work it in. But it's totally up to you. You can work it in as you crochet, or you can just weave it in when you're done. Chain 4 and then slip stitch into the next stitch. And that is your first petal. We will be making 4 more of these because the flower have 5 petals. So chain 4 and then 3 triple crochets in the next stitch, and then chain 4 again with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around, making sure you have 5 petals to make your daisy flower. At the end of your last petal, cut off a long tail and fasten off. This is going to be used to weave in your bead. To weave in your bead, take a crochet needle or tapestry needle, whatever you call it, and weave in your bead into your daisy, right in the middle of your daisy. Make another daisy, and this will be your earrings. Attach your earring hooks and your earrings is done. Next, we'll be making the chain. For the chain, you will be needing 5 daisy, but as you crochet, you will be attaching each daisy. So the first daisy is done. This is now the second daisy. To make a chain, make your first daisy as normal, and then your second daisy you also start as normal. But when you come to your second petal, you chain 4 and then you attach it to your first daisy. Attach it with a slip stitch. And now you just continue your daisy as normal.
Do this with all the daisy by just attaching it with a slip stitch and continuing the daisy as normal. Do this 3 more times so that there can be 5 daisies attached to each other for the necklace. So take your tails and then you weave in your beads as shown at the beginning. To complete the chain, take your hook and make a slip stitch on the one side of your daisy and then chain 33. Fasten off with a slip knot. Weave in your beginning tail. Just do the same with the other side. Next, you add your hook. This is for the chain, but you don't need to add it. If you don't have it, you don't need to add it. You can just tie it or make it however way that's comfortable for you. This is your chain, so do whatever you can. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these awesome arts.